Welcome friends to AutoCAD tutorial part 4. Here we'll learn some more drawing options. The first tool that we will learn is the polygon tool that will create an equilateral closed polygon. Once we click on polygon tool, the command will get activated. The polygon command lets you draw regular polygons with anywhere from 3 to 1024 sides. Let us select 5 as a side and specify the polygon center somewhere in the drawing area by clicking there. It will ask for the option that whether the polygon will be drawn inscribed in circle or circumscribed about circle. We'll select inscribed. Now we will have to specify the radius of the circle. That will be 5 in our case, and then press enter. The polygon has been drawn on the command area. The command for polygon is POL in AutoCAD 2010. Now let us learn the next tool in Draw, that is SP line. It will create some smooth curves that passes through or near specified points. We'll click on SP line and then wherever we will click in the window, it will draw the curves by connecting all the points with each other. And when we will press enter twice, it will remove that command from there and we can see the complete curves there on the screen like this. SP-line is a useful tool for drawing curves on the window between any two points. The next command that we will learn in Draw is the X line, which is also known as construction line, that creates a line of infinite length. Click on the tool and as specified in the command area, first specify the first point. Here we can see several options like horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect and offset. Specify the through point and then select it. It will create the lines for the whole drawing area with its starting and ending point that will touch to the boundaries of the drawing areas. If we will select H for horizontal, and then press enter, it will draw some horizontal line whenever we will click. And to remove the command, press enter. We'll learn some more tools in our next tutorial. Thank you. Welcome to the AutoCAD tutorial part 5. Now let us learn some more AutoCAD commands. The first command that we will learn is boundary. But for that, let us create a closed object with line. Then specify the next point by giving some measure. I'll give 12. For all the sides. And I have created one square with it. Since the lines are selected like differently, let us create the boundary to create it a single object. For that, the command is BO. From the dialog box, select Pick Points and then click in between the object. Press Enter and the boundary has been created. We can see the complete line and the square. Boundary is useful to calculate the area for an object. So let us calculate area for this object. The command to calculate area is AA. It will ask to select the object by pressing O in the command line. Select the object now and it will display the area in the command window, that is 144 square inch. This is how we create boundary for that object and then calculate area. Now let us learn one more tool, which is the gradient tool from Draw toolbar. That gradient tool is available here in the second row. Click on it and it will open the H window where the gradient tab is available. This tool comes along with H, and as H does, it fills an enclosed area with shading of user's choice. Fleshing out a drawing in AutoCAD will give it a more realistic appearance. For gradient, select the gradient tab and then select one or two color option, where we will select color from the color spectrum and then click on OK. The color is selected. Now from the given pattern, select the pattern. You can also select angle for it. Then add pick points. Select your completely enclosed object and press Enter. And then press OK. And that area will be filled with that gradient. Now let us learn the next tool of Draw toolbar, that is Revision Cloud. By dragging the mouse all over the window, it will draw some arcs and curves. Just like this, we can get its cloud effect and some curves are there. It is used to highlight revision of drawing especially. Welcome to AutoCAD tutorial part 6. Here we'll learn some more drawing tools and modification tools. The first tool that we are going to learn is Move. For this, let us draw an object. Here is the object that we have drawn. To move this object, first we'll go to Modify, and there we'll select Move. The Move command is used to move one or more existing drawing entities from one location in the drawing to another. As I have selected the command Move, I'll select the object first. First press enter and then select the base point, and then by clicking on the base point we can move it anywhere as we want. It will displace that drawing from one point to another. The command for move is M. The next tool that we will learn is the mirror tool, which is available on the Modify toolbar. First, click on the mirror tool and then select the object. Right click and select the first point of mirror line. Here I will select and then the mirror copy of this object will get on the screen. The mirror command allows you to mirror selected entities in your drawing. The original objects can be deleted or retained like a copy. Here we have retained it. The next command is erase. The erase command lets you delete selected entities from the drawing. First, select the object and then click on erase or press enter. The command is this. Select the command and then click on the object and then press enter. The object will be deleted from the screen. You can easily erase just the last object you drew by responding to the select objects from the prompt with I. We have learnt erase, mirror and move command in this tutorial. We'll learn some more commands in our next tutorial. Thank you.
In Miami. All right.